Hey again, everyone. It's Taylor, and we left off with opening our inventory and looking around and figuring everything out for what we want to build. And so now we are going to go ahead and start building. So now that you can see we're back in blocks of grass, nothing's around. So I figured we could build a house. So first you're going to point wherever you want to start building. So then you're going to look around and you're going to find a nice space of land. So I'll go over here by this chicken who keeps running away from me. Oh, there's a horse too. I didn't even see that. Okay, perfect. So now we're going to go ahead and build our house. So you're going to look and you'll see on the ground there are little squares when you kind of look at the ground and they're highlighted. That is the shape and size of where your building blocks are going. So whatever you want to build, that's exactly where that's going to go, and that's exactly how much space that's going to take up. So I'm going to go ahead and start building. So I'll put one square there, and I kind of like to do mine in rows. Everyone has kind of different preferences, but I like to go in rows and kind of around. So we're going to make this... We're probably gonna make this a bigger farmhouse. So I'm gonna keep building straight. Go ahead and start building. So I keep going. Sometimes it can take a little while, but honestly the project at the end is very much worth it. I'm going to go kind of more across now because I want to figure out how big I'm going to make this. I'm going to make it pretty big. Oh, look, there's an egg. Interesting. Guess I got the egg. So, oopsie. So there we go. We can destroy that if we make a mistake. All right, now let's see. Yeah, that looks about big enough. Looks about the size I want it to be. So now it's another layer done. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to go ahead and do a layer across. Oops, no problem. And I forgot, I don't think I mentioned that the space bar is used to jump. So when you want to get on top of whatever you're working on and work on it that way, sometimes I like to do that, sometimes I don't. Just depends, but it honestly can go pretty quick if I do it like that. Kids find this really fun, and even adults, I'll admit, I have a lot of fun playing with this. I'm not embarrassed or ashamed of that at all. So, to be my entry, oops, my bad. So now, oh, also, when you want to access the tools that are right at the bottom of the screen, so you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it goes all the way from 1 to 9. So now I clicked on my 9 on my keyboard, and now I've got the polar bear spawn. Click on 8, spawn pig. 7, sunflower. 6, birch sapling. 5, glass pane. 5, glass pane. The 4, block. 3, birch fence, 2, birchwood stairs, and 1, your birchwood planks, which I was just using. So now you're going to use the birchwood stairs, and I'm going to go ahead and walk up and put those there because I think I like that, yeah. And I'm going to go ahead and start building the walls of my house. Now, all of this takes a while, but when it all comes together and you work on it diligently, it all pays off very, very nicely. I've never played Minecraft until this semester, and I actually am a very big fan because I like to express my creativity, and I think it's super fun. So I can totally see why they would incorporate Education Edition into classrooms nowadays. I think that's a really cool thing to do, especially to get kids to really be thinking about new ways and critical thinking and express themselves as well, which is really cool to me. So now I'm done making this walls. So this is what it looks like. And In creative mode, you're allowed to double tap on your space bar, and you can fly actually. So I'm going up, and if you hold down on your space bar, you go up, and you can hit shift and it'll bring you back down. So now I want to put a big window in that area right there. So now I'm going to switch it to the glass pane and put it right there. Oops, no problem. So now I keep building. It's a little hard to see. It's kind of funky. Okay, so now we've done 2 layers. So what I like to do is do a whole nother layer. Keep going around. So now that I've made, now I'm gonna hold down on shift, come down to the ground, and I'm gonna walk around so I can see out the windows. So I can see the horse over here. So I have windows everywhere, which is awesome. So now I want to go ahead and actually I'm gonna build a roof. Go ahead and go to E. I want my roof to be different than the red brick. So I'm gonna use, so I want my roof to be not a block brick, but a slab brick. And it's much thinner, which is awesome. Because you want your roof to definitely be thin. Oh, woo! Okay. So now we are officially done with the roof. This looks pretty crazy. So now there's a good view of the outside. So I'm going to hit shift, come down, and go ahead and walk around. So now that I've got my doorway and everything, I'm going to go in first. I hit E, and I think I'm just going to make I definitely want to make a bedroom. So I'm going to go ahead and take a brick wall, replace it with this brick slab. So now I think I'm going to make a wall right here for my bedroom. So I'm going to walk over, go ahead and put that there. Okay. I'm going to keep going. It'll be a bit of a small bedroom, but it's okay. So now I'm going to go back to E and do the brick slab because there's a little space between the ceiling, I don't know if you can tell, and the brick. So I'm just going to put the slab there because we want it to close up because we want them to have their privacy. Oop, there's one left right here. So now I'm going to put a door. I need a door to my bedroom, so I'm going to go to E. I'm going to do the oak door. I like the oak door. So now I'm going to use oak door, put that there, perfect. And I'm going to go back, E, and go back and use that slab again to fill it up. Right there, perfect. If you want to open a door, you hit the, so I forgot to mention, so when you put it, so I put my door in, and now I'm going to click on the right side of my mouse to open the door and enter the other room. I also am going to go ahead and put a door in the front of the house as well. Perfect. And I'm going to go ahead and put that one slab there. I'm going to just replace it with the sunflower because we'll get there later. Oops. Oh, I see what I did. Okay, perfect. So now we're going to go ahead and walk back to the bedroom, which the door is already open. And I'm going to go to my inventory again, and I want to go down to beds because I need to have a bed in my bedroom, of course. And let's see, I think I passed it. Yes, here we go. So now I want a bed. I'm going to do a pretty pink bed for my doctor. She's got to get her rest. So we'll go to 9. So now she's got a pink bed. So now we've got a bedroom, little bedroom. And yeah, so then we've got the rest of the house, which is pretty cool. Big windows, which is nice, always a plus. And now I'm going to go outside. And here's outside. So now, after we've built the house, our next step is to go ahead and build the outside and the stuff we want to build all around the house.